So here is a summary of curve sketching. The objective for this section is to analyze and sketch the graph of a function. So far, we have studied several concepts that are useful, such as x-intercepts and y-intercepts, symmetry, domain and range, continuity, vertical asymptotes, differentiability, relative extrema, concavity, points of inflection, horizontal asymptotes, infinite limits at infinity. So when we are sketching the graph of a function either by hand or with a graphing calculator, remember that we cannot entirely see the graph. The decision to which part of the graph you choose to show is very important. So for example, which of these viewing windows better represents the graph of the following function? X cubed minus 25x squared plus 74x minus 20. You will see that it's obvious that the second viewing window is a more complete representation of the graph. So for us to see all the important parts of the graph, this is when we need to use calculus to interpret the first and the second derivative. So the summarized guidelines for analyzing the graph of a function are the following. We need to determine the domain and range, find the intercepts, asymptotes, symmetry, and we do the interval testing for both the first derivative and find relative extrema, and use the second derivative to find concavity and points of inflection.